Hello everyone, I love you to the moon and back. Now you can make that a reality by giving your loved one this 3D printed moon lamp. The moon in your hands. So there are two color options. There's the white light and the yellow light. So you can see from this video how cool this thing looks and how romantic it is. Let's start the review. What's inside the box? First, the 3D moon lamp. Second is the USB power cord, the instruction manual, and the cool looking base of the lamp. Now, let's assemble the base of the lamp. So just follow this video and you will be on your way. Enjoy! Now that the base is now assembled, you can get the lamp and put it on top. Don't forget to turn it on. So how do I turn this on? At the bottom of the 3D printed moon lamp, you will see a touch button. It's a silver dot. So press it once, it turns on. Press it once again, it turns off. It is also used to select the color option from white to yellow. So how do I make it brighter or dimmer? Simply press the touch button longer and it becomes bright. Press it again longer, then it dims. So how do I charge my 3D printed moon lamp? Simply plug in the mini DC charging port and plug in your USB port to your USB charger. Don't forget, 5 volts only. Now notice, when you're charging the moon lamp, it turns into a bluish color. And I think it looks cool. But it only turns blue when you're charging it. So based on my experience, you charge it from 30 minutes to an hour. And we were able to use it for the whole night, dimmed. Okay, not the brightest, but dimmed. So I think 12 hours or more. After being fully charged, it will automatically shut off. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy our other reviews. Blessings, everyone.